Hello and welcome to my channel. This video is on the neurochemistry of ego death, how pharmacology dissolves the integrated self. Ego death is something that is experienced and reported to happen during near-death experiences and during psychedelic states. So let's get right into it. What if your sense of self wasn't permanent? What if the you behind your thoughts and memories is actually a dynamic biological process, one that chemistry can temporarily reorganize? This experience is often called ego death. Your ego is not a single spot in the brain. Instead, the self emerges from coordinated activity across brain networks, especially the default mode network, or DMN. This network helps create your inner story, who you are, your memories, and your sense of being a separate self. Think of humans as a biological avatar, vehicles through which consciousness experiences reality. But this integrated identity depends on organization. Classic psychedelics like psilocybin activate 5-HT2A serotonin receptors in the cortex. This increases neuroflexibility and disrupts the normal organization of the DMN. Brain networks become less constrained, communication patterns change, and the boundaries of the narrative self begin to loosen. The result? Many people report feeling connected to everything, as the ordinary sense of me temporarily dissolves. Not the end of consciousness, but a reorganization of it. Inside cells, biology organizes through liquid-liquid phase separation, or LLPS, dynamic molecular droplets that help coordinate cellular activity. At larger scales, the brain shows fractal organization, patterns repeating across molecules, cells, circuits, and experience. The self may emerge from this nested organization, a living pattern, not a fixed object. Maybe the deepest lesson of ego death is this: the self is not something we permanently possess. It may be a pattern we continuously create. If consciousness is organized information, what happens when the pattern changes? If you would like to know more about this topic, please find my full video on my channel. And please like and subscribe so we can keep making interesting videos just like this one. Have a good one.